Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to sign up for an Indeed account. Creating an account on Indeed allows you to search for jobs, upload your resume, and apply for positions with just few clicks. So, let's get started on how to sign up for an Indeed account. First, open your browser. Go to the search bar and type Indeed.com in the search bar and tap enter. This will direct you to Indeed's official homepage. Now, tap the sign in icon located at the top right corner of the page. Select the option Continue with Google. Choose the Google account you want to sign in with and give your confirmation. Finally, select whether you are a job seeker or an employer based on your needs. Now, enter your city and state and tap on the toggle switch if you are interested in remote work. Now, tap on Continue. Set your base pay and pay period and tap on Continue. Enter your job title and tap on Continue. And that's how you can sign up for an Indeed account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.